Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how we can use an application called Padlet for our class activity. Alright, I'm sure a lot of people start using online platform to engage with students, but somehow we don't want to look as if that we are the one who only talking with students. So we can use Padlet so that we can have a lot of engagement with the student. And so this is some of the example of my student Padlet work. So basically I use Padlet for class activity with them, discussing tutorial question, sometime ice-breaking session. So basically before we go through what is Padlet, let's take a look how we can use Padlet. Okay, so in this blog URL, you can go and visit this blog. It says there are 30 ways to use Padlet in the classroom. Okay, so in this video, so I just show you a few ways how I use it for my class. All right, by the way, what is Padlet? Padlet is an online post-it board. Okay, post-it board is like sticky notes that you can paste sticky notes, but in the digital format, and everybody can view it. All right, especially your student and you. But this sticky note is very special because you not only can post words, but you can also post images, attach files. So interestingly, you as an academician, you can view their work, and the most best part is you can download their work and share and keep it in a PDF form. So I will show you there are a few applications that you can use for Padlet, such as brainstorming for research or assignment ideas. You can post live question bank to students. Some students probably they are too shy to ask question, so maybe they don't want their name to be revealed, so they can post question without being, without revealing their identity, so they feel safer and you actually get benefit from getting answer from them. And you can also gather your student works like I mentioned just now. After they submit the work, you can also record it and keep it in the form of PDF, and you can also use it for icebreaker. Okay, so we show you some demo. Okay, I'm going to show you some demo how you can use Padlet. Okay, if you do not have a Padlet account, you can create one by sign up here. Okay, you sign up, you register your email account using your email address, password, and you just sign up. Okay, so since I already have the account, so I just go and sign up for Padlet. Okay, sorry, I will go and log in using Padlet. Okay, it's a very simple process to sign in. You just register using your email account and password. All right. After that, after you're already ready to use, and then you can create Padlet. Okay, make a Padlet, and Padlet allow you to show or to use different form of theme or template. Okay, you can use this one for instance. Okay, all right. So right here, this is an empty space. So you as the content creator, you have to customize the page. Maybe sorry, you can customize the page. Okay, okay, you click this button, modify. Okay, so I repeat the step. You go here and click modify, and you can change the title, for example, tutorial week 4. All right, description, um, the need for precision language, for example. Okay, and after that, if you feel you want to change the wallpaper, you can change it. All right, maybe like this or like this, but usually I do not prefer using a lot of colors and background because it's quite hard to read the answer posted by your friend. So I prefer to use something which is minimal design, such as blank design. Or maybe if you want to really put a picture, maybe you can put something which is very simple to see. Okay, maybe something like maybe something like this. Okay, so and after you already selected your background, okay, so you can also customize your background, and you can also okay, uh, okay, you can also share this with your student. Okay, later on I will show you how you can share. So you click save. Okay, and okay, try to check what else do you want to change. Okay, so far no. Okay, you can have two ways to invite your student to join your Padlet. Either you invite them, okay, you invite them, or you can also allow your privacy of your Padlet, whether to make it visible to the public or only your student can see the link. So you can change the privacy setting right here, whether secret or public. So usually I prefer secret. Okay, and permission can only write, can only edit, or can only read. So I prefer my student or visitors can write. So the visitors right here are my student. Okay, so anything that you want to do, any modification, just simply click here, button modify. So you can scroll down what else that you want to change. Okay, okay, or you can also go to this button. Okay, there are two buttons right here, this one and this one, the three dots. Okay, the more button, and you can also choose whether how you want to modify it. Okay, so after that you want to share this link with your student, you can go and simply share this, copy to link to clipboard, copy the link. Okay, so maybe you can try. Okay, so the link will appear like this, but let me, and you can share this link with your student, and let's try what will happen. It will happen like this. Okay, so the one that I created is ready to be used with my student. Alright, so now, so from student perspective, how can they see? Okay, what kind of visual that they see from their side? Okay, so they can click right here, and if let's say your instructions says that they have to post their work, you give clear instruction right here. Usually in the instruction part, I try to make it clear. Okay, uh, okay, wait, modify. Okay, the need for precision language, I will ask a clear instruction such as please put your answer, uh, okay, please share your answer. You can snap photos of your work or upload file for your answer. Don't forget to put your name. Okay, don't forget to put your name or ID. Okay, so and click save. Okay, so student can post their answer right here. So sorry, they can upload their work. So this is title. Okay, sorry, I repeat the start here. So I also quite new with this thing. Pick file. Okay, for example, I want to post maybe sound file, which is maybe the file is not too big, yeah, because this is just class activity. Maybe something shorter. Okay, actually the file is quite big, but just give it a try. How big is big it can support. Okay, so okay, assuming that this is a student word. So for example, the name is Anis, ID number 1234, and she's ready and submit the work. So from my point of view, I can scroll her work. Okay, alright, what if imagine there are a lot of students submitted the work, where can I keep all the records? Okay, after this I will show how we can record all the works. Okay, let's take a look with some sample of the work from my student. Okay, for instance, this kind of activity allow me. Okay, so this is the one that I created just now, sorry. Tutorial week, okay, this one. Okay, so like this one, okay, I asked my student to put their word inside Padlet, and you can see some students, they have difficulty to type their answer. For your information, this exercise is related to diagramming argument, which require them to draw arrows. So some of them, maybe they are not so comfortable drawing arrows and diagram using their mouse. So I asked them, they can snap photos of their work like this. You see, that's why I asked them to put their name and ID. And it's also fun actually. In online classes, sometimes we don't want students to skip our online classes. So this is an evidence that they really listen to our lecture and they respond to our instruction in the online classes. Alright, so now I'm going to show you. You want to record all of the work, and what you can do. Uh, you can click export, and you can click save as PDF. Alright, so you can choose a format of your PDF. So I prefer portrait A4, just fine to me, and it will publish like this. Okay, it will publish like this. Okay, alright, like this, it will show like this. Okay, so so if I really want to see the student work later on, I can click. So in other words, what I'm trying to show you right here, so for those images, it will show like this. You just simply click the PDF and it will pop up the image, whereby if the students submitted their work in PDF, so you click that work and you can see the whole parts, and it's up to you whether you want to print or save. Okay, alright, I think I will show you one more example. How can you use Padlet for class activity? Okay, like this one. Okay, tutorial week 1. I asked the student to share advertisement about a topic that I gave them, which is critical thinking about the media. So the students share a lot of advertisement, which is very interesting to see their effort and creativity to get those advertisements. Alright, I think that's all for today. I hope you can get some ideas on how you can utilize Padlet for your classroom. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Alright, thank you.